Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and it is time to talk 2025 goals and reflect on 2024. So my goal for 2024 was a little bit more relaxed. Sorry, Luna's scratching the rug so she can settle down. It was a little bit more relaxed, and it was more to be very mindful over the amount of paintings that I get kitted up. I do have periods of time where I am able to diamond paint a lot more than others, and sometimes I must admit I do get to a point where I say, like a bit like now, I've got the cocktail painting on the go. I'm going to finish it on a next long whip and waffle. And apart from some Paint Gem alphabets, I don't particularly have anything else kitted up. And it makes me itch to kit up a few so that I have options and don't have that little lag. However, it can then bite me in the bum. So at the time that I filmed the last video, I had a mystery painting kitted up, which of course I couldn't do on whip and waffles because it was a mystery painting. I had another large painting, but then I'd also added a 30 by 40 on top of that, along with my special project that at the time was Walking in the Rain. So I completely get why I set that goal at that time, and I am going to be mindful of that going into 2025, and maybe Paint Gem is one of those things. I've done it twice this year where I have kitted up 3. The first time it worked great. It gave me a nice little mixture of paintings and it was all fantastic. However, these paintings, if I look at my whips, I kitted them up in May. May always seems to be my downfall. If I kit something up in May, I've just checked the last video and I kitted up my Diamond Art Club mystery painting in May and didn't finish it until January of the following year. And I've kitted these up in May, these 3. So it must be going into summer, which is probably when a lot of Advent prep and packing kicks in. That seems to be my sort of slowing down spot, because the shop time takes over a lot. But yeah, I kitted these up in May, and while I did finish them in 2024, I actually finished the last one on New Year's Eve. They have been kitted up for a very long time. So while my goal isn't necessarily to be mindful of these, I am going to sort of carry it on and pay attention to the fact that while 3 kitted up at the beginning of the year is great, not so much nearer the end. So I am going to give myself 2 sort of goals for this year, 2 things to aim for. And most of them have come from the fact of doing my review of paintings added versus completed for 2024. Years are still confusing to me. Always does for the whole month of January. So I completed 29 paintings last year, and I added 36 to my stash. So 38 if you count a couple that I've not unboxed yet. So it is quite a difference. It's a difference in the wrong direction. I also added 15 Paint Gem sets and only completed 9. So I have 2 goals. They're sort of intertwined, but sort of not. If Paint Gem come out with another 15, it might not help my goal if they come out with another 15 for next year, but we shall see. because actually I don't think I included the 2 latest because they came in after Christmas. So yeah, we might be already off to 2 to start with. But yeah, my first goal is to try, I was going to say initially to try and complete 1 Paint Gem mini painting a day. However, keeping that up for the whole year I think is a bit too much. I think I'm going to try and make my goal to complete 1 set per month. So some sets have 16. I don't have any sets left that only have 4. But some sets have 16. I think I've got a set that includes 8. So I do need to get one kitted up soon. I have Alphabet to work on. That has 36. So maybe that'll keep me going until I get to kit one up. But I would like to complete a Paint Gem set a month. Now we're very nearly into February. So I'm going to start with February being my first month. However, if I can get 12 sets completed in the year, bonus. I will definitely be up on last year, and if I can get even more done, all the better. So I'd like to complete a Paint Gem set a month, but my overall goal, of which the Paint Gem set per month will help, is that I would ideally like to complete more paintings than I add into my stash. That is quite a big goal, especially because I often get drawn in by many zesties on many different paintings, which you're all forgiven for because they're amazing paintings and I'm very happy that they're in my stash. But I do also often unbox for companies, which I then often add to my stash. Because they're amazing, rather than, you know, doing anything else with them. But yeah, that is my goal for 2025. Quite a short one. I would prefer to have completed more paintings than I add. And in with that, I would like to complete a Paint Gem mini set per month. I am going to start with trying to do 1 a day, but not being regimented with it. So if I miss a day, that's fine. And I figured if I've got a set that's got 16 in it, for example, if I miss a day, then I have plenty of days left in the month to catch up. I'm not sure when I've scheduled kitting up a Paint Gem set 4, but I do have one scheduled in my YouTube. I think I need to kit up my next big painting before I kit one up. But I have started off strong. I will have Cocktails finished soon, and I have finished a special diamond painting. So there is hope. We'll see what my next painting that gets kitted up will be. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what is your goal, challenge? Doesn't need to be set in stone. It's just something to try and be a little bit mindful of. What is yours? Down below. I know there was a few from last year's, if you want to go and have a look back and see your comment from last year, but there was some in relation to organising their craft room, there was some in relation to completing more of their stash or getting that bit more of me time. Whatever it is, do let me know in the comments down below. Put in stone what your goal is for 2025. Whether you're joining me or whether you're doing something completely different. It's always nice to sort of, you know, reevaluate and set yourself a little bit of a, I could do with doing this, even if it then is fun. Anyway, I am going to go and do one of my Alphabet paintings now, because why not? Or at least I'm going to go and put the set on the table so that I can go and do one this evening while it's my mainly kitted up diamond painting. Apart from that, I am more than happy leaving my Heaven and Earth design as my long-term project. I'm going to try 1 Paint Gem set. I may end up changing it if I feel like I am getting through quite a few and doing quite a few at once. I might just up it to 2 and maybe see how that goes, just to cram the videos together, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.